Igamaw or Pantawa. A manubo term means an opening or an entrance where someone can delve into the beautiful historical view of Dolomagwas, a sacred site of peace pact among Maranao, Maguindanao, Manubo, and Talaandig. Simply a glimpse of a peaceful and healing sanctuary.
Discover Igamaw, a hidden paradise in Atuyon, Pangantukan, Bukidnon. Nestled in the lush landscape of Bukidnon lies Igamaw.
Nestled in the lush landscapes of Bukidnon lies Igamaw, a breathtaking tourist spot in Atuyon, Pangantukan that's perfect for nature lovers, adventurers, and peace seekers alike. Whether you're looking to unwind with a stunning view to explore the beauty of the highlands, Igamaw offers a serene escape surrounded by panoramic vistas and cool mountain air. Capture unforgettable moments, enjoy a peaceful ambience, and connect with nature. Igamaw is more than just a destination, it's an experience.
Pwede na sad kayo mo magdala og tent diri kung mag-overnight mo, or bisan dili mo mag-overnight, pwede na jud kayo mo magdala og tent. If ever nga wala mo'y tent unya gusto mo mag-overnight, pwede na sad mo makaran. 150 ang rent. Naapod sila gina-offer nga cottage worth of 500 per night.